Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.1 question number 1 to 9 of ML Agarwal class 9th mathematics. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we are going to discuss exercise 4.1 question number 1 to 9. So let us start solving the exercise here. Now let us solve the exercise 4.1 here. So we have to factorize the following. So first part is in this question is 8xy cube plus 12x square y square. So we have to take common also here. So let us see what is common here. Here we can put it as 4x and y square equal to 2y plus 3x here. So this is the answer here. Now the second part of this question is 15ax cube minus 9ax square. So here we can take common as 3ax square, here 5 minus 3, 5x minus 3 is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve second question first part, which is 21py square minus 56py here. So here we will get as 7py, so 3y minus 8 is the answer here in this question. Now the second part here is 4x cube minus 6x square. So for solving this we will take 2 as common, 2x square. So here 2x minus 3 is the answer in this question. Now let us solve the first part of third question, which is 2 pi r square minus 4 pi r. So we will take 2 pi r, here r minus 2 as the answer in this question. Now the second part is 18m plus 16n. So we will get 9m plus 8n as the answer here in this question. Let us solve the fourth question here, which first part is 25abc ka square minus 15a square b square c. On solving this part, we will get 5abc as common, so 5c minus 3ab as the answer here in this question. Now the second part in this question is 28p square q square r minus 42p q square r square. So we will take common here as 7pqr. So here 4pq minus 6qr. Now we will take here common 2, as 2 is here common, so 7 into 2 pqr, 2pq minus 3qr, which is equal to 14pqr. Here 2pq minus 3qr is the answer here in this question. Now the fifth question here is, first part is 8x cube minus 6x square plus 10x. Here we will take common as 2x, 4x square minus 3x plus 5 here as the answer here in this question. Now the second part is 14mn plus 22m minus 62p here. We will again take common here. Firstly we will take 2 as common, we will get 7mn plus 11m minus 31p is the answer here in this question. First part here is 18p square q square minus 24pq square plus 30p square q. On solving this, we will get firstly we will take p and q as common and 2. So pq, here 9pq minus 12q plus 15p. Now here we will take 3 as common, so 2 into 3 pq, here 3 p cube minus 4q plus 5p is the answer here in this question. Now the second part here is 27a cube b cube minus 18a square b cube plus 75a cube b square. So here we will take common 3. Firstly we will take common a square and b square here. So 9ab minus 6b plus 25a as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the seventh first part, which is 15a 2p minus 3q minus 10b 2p minus 3q. Here we will take 2p minus 3q as common, so 2p minus 3q. Here 15a minus 10b is the answer in this question. Now the second part here is 3a x square plus y square plus 6b x square plus y square. We will take here common as x square plus y square. So it is 3a plus 6b as the answer in this question. Now let us solve 8th first part, which is 6x plus 2y का whole cube plus 8x plus 2y का whole square. On solving this, we will take x plus 2y का whole square as common. So x plus 2y का whole square common. 6x plus 2y plus 8. Now we can write it x plus 2y का whole square. Here 6x plus 2y plus 12y plus 8 equal to, we will take 2 as common here. So 2x plus 2y का whole square. Here 3x plus 6y plus 4 as the answer in this question. Now the 8th second part in this question here is 14a minus 3b का whole cube minus 21p a minus 3b. We will take common as a minus 3b here. So it is 14a minus 3b का whole square minus 21p. Now we will take common here as 7. So 7a minus 3b. Here 2a minus 3b का whole square minus 3p here. So this is the answer here in this question. Now the 9th first part is 10a 2p plus q की power cube minus 15b 2p plus q का whole square plus 35 2p plus q. So we will take common here 2p plus q. So 2p plus q. Here 10a 2p plus q का whole square minus 15b 2p plus q plus 35 here. So now we will take common here as 5. So 5 2p plus q. Here 2a 2p plus q का whole square minus 3b 2p plus q plus 7 is the answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Now the second part in this question is x square plus y square minus z square plus y minus x square minus y square plus z square minus z x square plus y square minus z square. Here we will take minus here common. So x square plus y square minus z square minus y x square plus y square minus z square minus z x square plus y square minus z square. So here we will take it as common. X square plus y square minus z square. X minus y minus z is the answer here in this question.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.